If you work in a social business, then your life probably feels a little bit like this. Constantly chasing funding. And then when you finally get it, it's soon gone. And you have to begin the whole chase again. So what if we told you that there's a funding scheme available to you that takes some of that constant chasing away? The Social Business Growth Fund is a clever way of social funding, and it's designed to help you raise your social business to the next level and to, help reduce the whole chasing thing that you've been doing. So here's how it works. Instead of being a straightforward grant, the Social Business Growth Fund is different. 40% of it is a non-repayable grant, and 60% is repayable financial assistance, which is set at 0% for 5 years. But here's the clever bit. If you overachieve, for every extra job that you create in your social business above what you planned, you can move some of the repayable assistance over to the grant part, which means you never have to worry about paying that part back. So this repayable assistance really is money in the bank for you. Now you can truly control how you want to grow your social business with the funding to make it happen. You can finally be the one thing that all social enterprises crave to be: more sustainable. The Social Business Growth Fund, or SBGF as we call it, is funded by the Welsh Government and the European Regional Development Fund and is administered by WCVA through Social Investment Cymru. That's a lot of acronyms, but behind each one of them are teams of people rooting for you and the wonderful work that you do. So when you apply for this fund, you'll get all the help and support that you could ever need. Lots of social enterprises are already growing thanks to the Social Business Growth Fund. Welcome to Social Businessville. Here, everyone from dog rescue centres to community-led playgroups to art centres have benefited from the Social Business Growth Fund. And you could too. What are you waiting for? Go on. Contact the team today to discuss your business plan.